Welcome back to the third episode of the Rat Race podcast. Today is definitely one of the most interesting, one of the most helpful topics on this podcast. So you guys do definitely want to give your full attention to this. And today's topic is, what is my trading strategy? So you guys might be wondering what strategy I use to trade. It might be price action, it might be fundamentals, any kind of technical analysis. Yes, I do technical analysis to kind of help me with my trades, but that is not my main strategy. My main strategy is a trading system. So I did develop my own trading system, and before I even start talking about it, no, I am not going to share it. I spent a very long time perfecting this, making it. I'm still looking for ways to make it better because there's always room for improvement. But I lost a lot of money in the process of making this. And I put so much effort and hard work into this. I'm just not gonna give it away. It just won't make sense. It just doesn't make sense, guys. But I am willing to help you guys make your own trading systems. This is an educational channel to help you guys. So it wouldn't make sense if I'm not willing to help you guys. And my main goal is to bring as much value and knowledge as I can to help you guys succeed in the forex market or any financial market. So let's just dive right into this. If you guys um, don't know what I'm talking about, I did mention about no nonsense forex and how he has his own trading system. That's how I kind of got the idea. No nonsense forex does talk about make your own trading system, and he does his videos to help you guys. So before listening to this podcast, you guys should definitely check out his channel, watch his videos, so you guys will better understand what I'm going to be talking to you guys about and my explanations as well. So put a pause in this video, stop listening, check him out, and then once you're done that, come back and just listen to the rest of the podcast. So starting off, um, I believe there are 5 pieces to the trading system no nonsense forex talks about, and the first one is the signal. So the signal can be anything from a trending indicator or indicator that just tells you to buy or sell. That's the first part. The second part is a confirmation. So the confirmation is to make sure that the signal is valid, and then the third part is another confirmation indicator to make sure, yes, this is a valid trade. So you have 2 confirmations, making sure that the signal is correct. And the fourth part is, I believe, is the volume indicator. And this is where I want to stop and tell you guys that I don't have a volume indicator. I do not have a volume indicator in my trading system, and I think it's useless. And here's the reason why. Um, it tends Currency pairs tend to be more volatile and tend to move a lot during the London session and the New York session. So instead of having a volume indicator to make sure there's a lot of liquidity in the markets, all you can do is just trade during one of those 2 sessions, the New York or the London session. And basically during those times, that's when currency pairs do move a lot. So just trade during those 2 sessions. And I don't remember the last part of the trading system no nonsense talks about, but you guys can just definitely check out his channel and see what it is. But moving on, this is my trading system. There are 4 components to it. First one is the signal, tell me to buy or sell. The second part is buy or sell territories. So I do have buy and sell territories in my trading system. So if the signal appears and it is either in the buy or sell territory, I will definitely take that trade. Third part is the confirmation to make sure the signal is valid, and then I do have another confirmation as well. So that is that, and I do also look at multiple time frames. I look at the 30-minute, the hour and the 4 hour to make sure that um, all the signals are the same. So if the 30 minute is telling me to buy, the 40 minute, sorry, the 1 hour is telling me to sell, and the 4 hours telling me to buy, I would buy that. I would buy the pair if it's Euro JPY, Euro USD, or gold. So I do just a trading technique. I'm going to mention is what I just talked about now. Using multiple time frames. I may I get the 4 hour time frame, and if it's telling me to buy, I look at the 30 minute and 1 hour, and if uh, one of the two time frames match with my with the 4 hour time frame, which let's say is a buy, then I will buy. Another example, if my trading system tells me to sell on the 4 hour and it tells me to buy on both the 30 minute and 1 hour, then uh, I'll just wait for when the signal tells me to buy or sell in the 30 minute or hour chart. Okay, so that's just a secret technique, trading technique that I use using multiple time frames. Lastly, one more thing I want to talk about. You guys can definitely find very good indicators online for free, so you don't have to pay for these. You can definitely find good ones that can help you make your own trading system. And if you guys need if you guys need my help, sorry, making your trading system, I'll be more than happy to help you guys. You guys can leave a comment down below. If you have questions, text it, type it in the comment section, and I'll get back to you guys as soon as possible. This is a educational channel. I do try to bring as much value as I can, and I enjoy helping you guys. Um, it's not fun losing money in these markets. So if you guys are looking for a mentor, I can do that for sure. So if you guys have any video ideas, leave it in the comment section below, and I'll definitely do it for you guys. It'll be very appreciative actually, because I do enjoy making these videos, and if I get to make videos and help you guys, that's just the best of both worlds. So that is that. Thank you for listening again. This podcast. Make sure you guys listen to these podcasts because I do have very, very interesting things to say and knowledge to give you guys to help you guys become successful in the Forex market or any financial market. So, to end it off, thank you for listening. New episode on Monday. It's going to be another very interesting topic I'm going to be talking about, so make sure you stay tuned, and I'll see you guys then.